from now? Kasi how do you pursue it? Diba? Kasi sabi mo, passion mo yan, so you have a vision. So, nangyayari na yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo, no? Everything was happening because of your hard work, your perseverance, no? Your zealousness, your dedication to your job, no? So, hindi ka pa kontento, I know. Kaya nga nag-celebrate tayo for people to know that there's this person who does not only love being on TV, but loving people, no? A person who loves to share herself to people, no? Kaya naroon tayong ganitong mga programa. So, how do we perceive Catch Me at 9, yourself, the people around you, those people you have helped, no? 10 years, another 10 years from now, as your 10th year anniversary.
Okay, so where do we start? Is it as for myself?
For yourself, muna siguro.
Well, another 10 years from now, I think I will still be more beautiful as I grow old, of course. Maybe another age will be added to another year will be added to my year every year, but not to the body itself, right? And if you were talking about, of course, my show, well, I think I could be again in this endeavor for another 10 years. You know why? Because people believe in me and they respect me, and it's not because they put a commercial or TV advertisement on my show. It's just a give and take relationship. You know, once they put a commercial in my show or the Celestial Cable TV, I make